Hey everybody! Hey everybody, the sun's come out for the first time since we left the UK, so I thought I'd get my brand spanking new solar panel that I bought from Santa Claus and see if we can get some ampage into the batteries. This is a demonstration. Come here, I'll show you how it's done. It's, what is it? It's from Dokio. It's a 150 watt monocrystalline portable solar panel system. Because we've got one on the roof, but in the winter it's as useful as a chocolate fire guard because it points directly up and the sun is over there. You see, so that's why I bought this. So this is how it works. So you open it out and we have 4 panels. Thus, so we take the cable from the pouch that I've extended and we plug it in, like that, and we pop the other end through the window. So follow me and let's see what the controllers do. Ah, there you are. Shoes off. Right, let's plug it in. What I've done is there's the controller that comes with it. I have wired it through the vent into the batteries directly because it comes with crocodile clips, but I've snipped those off because there was nowhere to put the clips on safely. So they're hardwired directly in to the battery. So I'm now going to connect. This is just temporary so that I can see. There we go. So I don't even see that. There's 13.2 amps. So when I press this button, it's telling me I've now got 5.2 amps going into the batteries. Marvellous! Loving that. So I'll put that down there, close the window. There's a blog coming on this with all the technical details, but for now, my portable solar panel is working like a dream. As a happy boy. Bye.